Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So the topic for today's video is how to start taking online appointment for your salon and send WhatsApp messages. Now here the idea is, let's understand this with an example that I run a salon, and for that I take online appointments with the clients. So every time a client is going to book an appointment, I want to send the messages to them on their WhatsApp for appointment confirmation. Now here for that I am using two software applications. So let us see what are they. So here I am using Acuity Scheduling. So basically Acuity Scheduling is an online appointment managing software. So with the help of that I have created a scheduling page for my salon. So there are all the details into my scheduling page. Every time a client is going to book an appointment through that page, I am going to get the data of that client. So here what I want to do is, once an appointment is booked by a client or a customer onto my page, I want to send a WhatsApp message. Now here the issue is Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp do not have any native integration or any direct contact. So how I am going to do that? If I am going to do that manually, it is going to take a lot of time. Why? Because I have to send messages to a lots of customers per day, and it will be really repetitive and tiresome. So that is why in this video I am going to tell you that how you can add automation in this process. So for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which is going to build a data flow between Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, every time an appointment is going to be booked, the message will be sent automatically to the customer on their WhatsApp. Isn't it wonderful that just with the help of Pabbly Connect we will be able to integrate these two software applications. Let us understand with an example. If a person named Alex is going to book an appointment, the message will be sent automatically to Alex on their WhatsApp, on his WhatsApp number automatically. So here let me tell you one more thing, that instead of Acuity Scheduling, you can also use any other software application to collect the appointments, any other appointment managing software, or you can also use any form builder. Okay, now here the best part is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So now let us understand this complete process, that how I am going to build that automation on my screen along with a real-time example.
Okay guys, so here you can see this is the page which I have created using Acuity Scheduling. So this is the appointment page. Here I have added the logo of my salon, as well as I have added all the details. And here you can see into these calendar kind of appointment window, the clients can choose the time slot and day according to their choice, and then they can book the appointment. So into these 3 steps the appointment will be booked, and then the message will be sent automatically onto their WhatsApp along with the appointment details. So here I have created this appointment page from Acuity Scheduling. This is the dashboard of Acuity Scheduling. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my account in Acuity Scheduling. So from here you can also create your own appointment pages very easily. So further in the video I will be telling you that how you can create appointment pages. Let us now understand the process practically. So for that I am going to show you a small example by completing an appointment, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending to the customer or not. So here for example, let us book an appointment for Tuesday, October 19 at 11 AM. So let us click on continue. So for example, this is the person who is filling the form, Sam John, and these are all his details. So let us click on complete appointment. So now you can see I just clicked on confirm appointment, and here you can see the appointment is booked. Let us check on WhatsApp if the message to Sam John is sent or not. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp page. Let us refresh it. Perfect. Here you can see there is this message for Sam John. Let us read it out. So here is the message. Hi Sam John, a quick message that your appointment is on October 19 at 11 a.m. Isn't it wonderful that appointment was just booked from here and the message on WhatsApp is sent automatically. So guys, this is the gist of the process, that every time a person is going to book an appointment from my appointment scheduling page, the message will be sent automatically onto their WhatsApp. Now here you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this task, that as and when the appointment is booking, the message is sending on WhatsApp, that too automatically. So here let me tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created this amazing automation between Acuity scheduling and WhatsApp. So let us see what are those steps, so you can also follow the same and create this automation. Okay guys, so you can see here, these are the steps which I followed to create the automation between Acuity scheduling and WhatsApp. So the step 1 is connect Acuity scheduling to Pabbly Connect. Okay guys, so for first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect, then we need to connect our Acuity scheduling account with Pabbly Connect. Then we need to, in the second step, we need to collect the data from Acuity scheduling in Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do is, we have to collect the data from Acuity scheduling into Pabbly Connect. How? If a person is going to book an appointment by my appointment page, the same details will be captured here into Pabbly Connect automatically. Now what we have to do in the third step is send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. Now here what we have to do is, the data which is collected here into Pabbly Connect from Acuity scheduling, we have to transfer the same data into WhatsApp, so that we can into 360 dialog to send messages on WhatsApp. Now I know here you must be thinking, what is this term which I just used, 360 dialog, and what is the use of that? So let me explain you that we are using WhatsApp's official API 360 dialog to send messages on WhatsApp. Why? Because WhatsApp do not allows us to send the messages directly, so that is why we are using this software. So basically these are the 3 simple and easy steps which we need to follow to create this workflow. So I am going to tell you each and every step in detail on my screen, so keep watching this video till last. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, pabbly.com. So now here you can see, after searching for pabbly.com, you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. So now here what we have to do is, we have to click on products, and at products we have to click on connect. So after clicking on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is what we are going to use, Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to click on sign in, as I have already created my account into Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user and you too wish to create your account, you can just create it by signing up for free from here in 2 minutes. So let's click on sign in. So after clicking on sign in, here you can see this all apps window will appear. Now here, to continue making with the workflow, I am going to scroll down, and here at Pabbly Connect we have to click on access now. So once we are going to click on access now, you can see this dashboard will appear. So here you can see there is a button named as create workflow on the top right corner. We have to click on this button. So here, after clicking on create workflow, you can see this dialog box will appear. Now here we have to give a name to our workflow. So I am going to give it as Acuity scheduling to WhatsApp according to our topic. So you can always give the workflow name according to your choice. I'm just giving it according to the topic. So here I just provided it as Acuity scheduling to WhatsApp. After that we have to click on create. So once we are going to click on create, you can see this window will appear, and here you can see the title of our workflow is created. Now here you can see along with that there are 2 boxes on my screen. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. So you must be thinking, what are they? So let me explain you that automation works on the concept of triggers and actions. So trigger basically means when this happens, action means do this. Or we can also say that trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. So according to our topic, the trigger will be when an appointment is booked into my Acuity scheduling page, the action will be send a confirmation message on WhatsApp. Let us understand this complete process practically. So in the trigger window, in the choose app, first I am going to choose Acuity scheduling. Acuity scheduling. Okay, so after selecting Acuity scheduling, here I have to select the trigger event. So there are various trigger events, but according to our workflow, we have to click on new appointment. So once we are going to click on new appointment, we have to click on connect, and here I'm going to click on add new connection, and after that we have to click on connect with Acuity scheduling. Now here, as I have already logged in into my Acuity scheduling account, so I will be directly clicking on save, and in this way my account will get connected. So here my account just get connected. Similarly, you can also connect your account. So here you can see after it is connected, we have to click on save and send test request. So once we are going to click on save and send test request, it will start waiting for the response. What kind of response? It is going to capture the same data if an appointment is going to be booked. So for this, we have to again go to our appointment scheduling page so that we can book an appointment, and the same data can be captured here. So this is my page. Here you can see this is my salon appointment page. So from here we will be booking an appointment, and then we will see if the same data is captured here into Pabbly Connect or not. So for example, we are booking an appointment for on Wednesday, October 20 at 10 AM. Let's click on continue. Here for example, I am filling this form for 𝗃𝙗𝘃𝗍𝗔. 𝗃𝙗𝘃𝗍𝗔 is the person. Let me correct some details here. Okay, so now here the appointment form is ready. Let us click on complete appointment. So I just clicked here, and you can see the appointment is booked. Let us see if the same details for 𝗃𝙗𝘃𝗍𝗔 are captured into Pabbly Connect or not. So here, perfect. You can see the data is captured. The person was 𝗃𝙗𝘃𝗃𝗍𝗔, her full name, phone number and email address, the date of appointment, the time of appointment, everything is captured here. Isn't it wonderful? So here I know you must be thinking that how you can also create your appointment page. So let me explain you that too. So for this, here you can see this is my dashboard of Acuity scheduling. As I told you, here I have already created my account. So you can also create your account, and once the account is created, if you want to build an online appointment form, you can click on this availability option, and from here you can choose the rooms and you can choose the calendars, and from here you can create the appointment page. Then from here, customize appearance. You can edit the appearance of your form just like this. You can add the data according to it. If you want to add logo, if you want to add some description, you can add that, and in this way your form will be created. Your appointment page will be created. So this is how you can also start using Acuity scheduling. So now let us move on to our workflow again. So you can see the data is captured. Now what we have to do is we have to send a message on WhatsApp. So as I told you that to send messages on WhatsApp, we are going to use its official API 360 dialog. So in the action event, let's choose the same. So I'm going to choose WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Perfect. So after selecting WhatsApp by 360 dialog, why? Because WhatsApp does not allow us to send the messages directly, we are using this. Okay, now in the action event, we have to choose send template message. After that, we have to click on connect. So once we are going to click on connect, we need to connect our WhatsApp by 360 dialog account with Pabbly Connect. So for this, you have to click on add new connection, and then you need to provide the API key and domain name. So I know here you must be thinking what are they and from where you can get them. Don't worry, everything is provided into the help text below these options. So it is written enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account, log in into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Perfect. So here what we have to do first is we have to go to our 360 dialog account. So let me show you my account. Okay guys, so here you can see this is my WhatsApp by 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard because I have already created my account. So if you too wish to create your account into 360 dialog, let me tell you that a link is provided into the description of this video. So you can simply go through that link, watch the video and create your own 360 dialog account and start sending template messages on WhatsApp. So my account is already created. I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. For that, I need to provide the API key and domain name. So let me tell you from where we can get that. So here this is the option of WhatsApp accounts. Here you can see there is this option of generate API key. You have to click on this and you have to generate your own API key. So once that API key is generated, you have to use that same API key here, and in this way you can connect your 360 dialog account with Pabbly Connect. Now let me tell you one more important thing here, that you have to generate the API key once only, because if you are going to click on this generate API key option again and again, it will create securities issue. So that is why you have to generate it once and use the same API key in your workflows. Now here I have already created my API key, so I will be using the same. Then you need to provide the domain name. So the domain name is already available into the help text. You can copy the same and paste it here, or you can also paste the domain name which you are going to get while generating the API key. So in this way you can connect your 360 dialog account. Now here I have already generated my API key and I have already built the connection, so that is why I am going to choose existing connection and then I am going to click on save. And in this way my WhatsApp by 360 dialog account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. So guys, as you can see, once my account is connected, all these fields will appear, and here you can see all the templates available into my account will be visible. So here you must be thinking, what are templates? So to explain you that, let me again take you to my 360 dialog account. So here you can see there is this option named as manage templates. We have to click here. So templates are basically predefined messages which you need to create from 360 dialog account in order to send them on WhatsApp. So you need to create the templates according to your choice, according to your need. Then you need to get them approved and then you can use them. So here you can see there are already approved templates into my account. They are visible here. So here the template which I am going to use is the appointment update. So this is the template which I am going to use. So here these are the complete details I have provided according to my choice. If you do wish to create the template of your choice, you can click on add template button. You have to provide the template name, all the details and body of the template. Body means the message you are planning to send. Then you need to preview and submit your template. So basically you need to submit your template for approval to Facebook, and it basically takes the time of 30 minutes to 2 business days to get approved. So once your template is approved, then only you can start using it for sending messages on WhatsApp. So here you can see my template is already approved, which is appointment update. So I will be using the same appointment. So let me choose the template here, which is appointment. Okay, so after I'm going to select the template, I have to map the data according to my template. Let me explain you what mapping is. So here you can see once I selected the template, these fields will appear and I have to map the data according to that. So mapping basically is the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from Acuity scheduling. That same data will be available into these kind of drop down. So what we have to do is we have to click once according to the field asked and the data will be entered automatically. So this is how mapping works. So now let us map the data. So first we have to map the recipient's mobile number. Okay. So here it is written, enter the recipient's mobile number with country code, that is into this format. Okay. So guys, we have to enter the data into 360 dialog into this format, which contains the plus sign as well as the country code. So here you can see I'm going to map the WhatsApp number. So we got the WhatsApp number. It is already into the expected format, which is +91. So I'm just going to map it. You see, this is how mapping works. I just selected the data from here. I clicked once and the data was entered. And this is the same data which is available here. You see, this is how mapping works. Now let us map the next thing, which is the name of the person. So the name is Tina. With a space, I'm going to provide the full name, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Perfect. Now what we have to do is we have to provide the appointment date. So the date is 20th October. Perfect. Now we need to provide the appointment time. So it was from 10 AM. Okay. So according to the template, we have provided all the data. You have to map the data always according to your template. Okay. Okay, so now here what I am going to do is I am going to click on save and send test request, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message to 𝗪𝗵𝘆 for her appointment confirmation is sent or not. So let us click on save and send test request. Let me read out the response for you. Perfect, so it is stable. This means the message is sent. Let us check on WhatsApp. Perfect. Here you can see the message for 𝗃𝗪𝗆𝗇𝗃 is here. Hi 𝗃𝗪𝗆𝗇𝗃, a quick message from the appointment on October 20. You have this, and these are the complete details. You can see the appointment is successfully booked. This means we have successfully created our workflow, and now let us check it on real time if it is running smoothly or not. So for that, what I am going to do right now is I'm again going to my scheduling page here. I'm going to schedule another appointment, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message is sending or not. So let's book an appointment here. For example, I am now going to book an appointment for Friday, October 22 at 12 p.m. Okay, let's click on continue. Let's add the details. So for example, Zoya Khan is the person filling this form. Let me correct the data here. Okay, so the form is completely ready. Let us click on complete appointment. So now here you can see the appointment is completed. Let us check on WhatsApp if there is any message for Zoya or not. Okay, perfect. Here you can see there is this message for Zoya Khan. According to my template, this is the message. You can always adjust the templates according to this. So here you can see the message is there. This means our workflow is running really smoothly. As and when the appointment is getting scheduled, the message is sending on WhatsApp instantly. So isn't it wonderful that just with the help of Pabbly Connect, we integrated these two software applications, which is Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. Now let us do a short recap of the process. So here in the first step, we choose Acuity Scheduling, and then we captured all the data into Pabbly Connect. Then with the help of same data, we transferred it into WhatsApp by 360 dialog in order to send the messages. And according to the template, we mapped all the data, and in this way our workflow was created. Now let me tell you one more amazing thing here, that the workflow which I have just created, which is Acuity Scheduling to WhatsApp, the link of this same workflow is available into the description of this same video. So you can simply copy the link of that workflow and clone it into your Pabbly Connect account and start using it just for free.
Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.